I wanted to officially welcome you to my semi-retirement. I turned 65 today. It's going to be a fairly quiet day. I already went out. I got my low-income seniors bus pass. Cost me $32. It's usually for a year, but the program goes from May to May, so it's 9 months worth at $32, which is a tremendous deal. And then perhaps I'll go and sit in a hot tub at the Sir Winston Churchill Aquatic Center. To give you a bit of value today, I will leave a list at the end here of all the different shortcuts you can use on a keyboard if you're actually surfing the net on a PC. Most likely a lot of you have switched over to devices, but you need both.